Told you last night in the hotel. Everyone knows that they won't tell. But their half-hearted smiles tell me something just ain't right. I've been waiting on you for a long time. Fueling up on heartaches and cheap wine. I ain't heard from you in 3 nights. I put your picture away. I wonder where you've been. I can look at you while I'm lying next to him. I put your picture away.